Here are some barn door shutters made from plywood and pallet wood. This video is just a compilation of some pictures showing the process. It's real quick and simple. The pallet wood perimeter is sized based on the window size, and then plywood backer is put on it, and then I cut an angled piece to go across. All the pieces were glued and screwed or nailed from the backside to hide all the hardware. And then of course I had to add some weight until the glue dried. For an even color, I used a Poly-shades, which is stain and polyurethane in one. After a few coats, this gives an even color. And then to top it off, I put on a couple coats of wipe-on polyurethane. After these were built, I did have to trim some of the plywood off the backs to allow room for the hardware for hanging. But I simply applied a few coats of Poly-shades to that, and it was good as the rest. I finished a 1x4 the same as the doors and hung it on the wall, and used some cabinet-sized barn door hardware to hang the doors. Thanks for watching.